Hello friends, welcome to Money DNA YouTube channel. In this video, we will look what is Graham number. And before starting the video, I would like to put a disclaimer that this video is only for educational purpose and please don't take it as a financial advice. Okay, what is Graham number? This is normally used to find whether the value of the fundamental value of the stock is overvalued or undervalued. Uh, Actually, Benjamin Graham is the one who found this one. He is called as the father of value investing, and he is the mentor of Warren Buffett as well. So let's see what is the formula that has been used for to find out this Graham number. It is square root of 22.5 into earnings per share into book value per share. So one can ask why it is given as 22.5 over that. Actually, this can be split into two. So Graham just believed that the earning ratio should not be more than 15. Earning ratio or we can call it as actually P ratio, and the book ratio, that is price to book ratio, that should not be more than 1.5. We call it as price to book ratio, or we can just take it as PB ratio. Okay, so this is why the 22.5 has come over there, and we have EPS, earnings per share, and book value per share. So earnings per share is nothing but net income divided by shares outstanding, and book value per share is nothing but shareholders equity divided by shares outstanding. So once you find this, once you incorporate all these things, and say for example you get a result of 17 is your Graham number. And your current market price is 15. It is considered as undervalued and it is worth investing in this. So actually you no need to just go and calculate each for each shares one by one manually. In order to calculate this, we have a screener, and the URL for that website is given below, and you can just create your own screener, and or you can just pick up from many screeners available over there, and also you can make some additions, deletions to it according to your convenience. So let's just look how to calculate this Graham number over there. So this is the website screener.in. Once you register, you have something called as screens here at the top menu. So once you go there, you can see n number of screeners available over here, and also you can just create screens you want. So I am just going to new stock screen, and here I am just giving Graham number. So I just got Graham number, and what is our ideology? Graham number should be greater than current market price. So, and if you see here, before going to this, just here you can see the formula. 22.5 into EPS into book value per share. So that's what Graham number is all about. And this is should be greater than current price. So here the check-in is like whether the company has given you recent quarter results. You can just click that, or else you can skip that as well. So it's up to you to do that. And once I completed this, just run this query, and you have this numbers over here. Here, if you see, you have the current market price and Graham's number. So if the current market price is, I mean, we have just filtered it out. Whatever the shares that has been displayed here, it says that it is undervalued and it is worth investing. And if you see, you can edit columns, and you can just add or delete as per your convenience. So whatever you feel like, the price to sales ratio or current ratio, whatever it is, you whatever that you feel comfortable, you can just add those things. Say for example, you need to invest in this, and you also need the dividend yield should be more. So I am just giving the dividend yield more, and whatever those shares that has a more dividend highest dividend yield is shown here. And similarly, you can see it shows more than 1848 results, and I don't want that much company. So what I'm giving here, I'm just stating like, and now I'm saying the market capitalization should be greater than 500 or 1000, whatever. So 500, I'm just. So now you just see 335 results, and most of these are, you can just go and check each and every companies, and these have capital of more than 500 crores. So now 1800 plus results has been shrunk to 335 results. So similarly, you can just make n number of queries here to bring down the results as per your convenience. So that's it, friends, and I hope you like this video. And if you feel that this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.